How many hours a day do you spend glued to your screen? In today's digital age, it's easy to lose track of time while scrolling through social media, responding to emails, or binge-watching your favorite series. We've become so attached to our digital devices that they've become an extension of ourselves. But this constant connectivity comes with its own set of challenges. Our eyes strain from the glaring screens, leading to headaches and blurred vision. Insomnia creeps in as our minds stay wired from the endless stream of information. Our focus dwindles, jumping from one task to another with notifications disrupting our train of thoughts. And let's not forget the social isolation that sneaks up on us as we replace face-to-face interactions with digital communication. These are just a few of the potential health and mental well-being issues associated with excessive screen time. It's a digital age dilemma that we can't ignore. It's time to consider balancing your screen time for a healthier lifestyle. Reducing screen time may seem daunting, but with practical strategies it's entirely achievable. Let's delve into these doable tactics that can help us strike a balance with our digital devices. First off, setting screen time limits. This is a simple yet effective strategy. Decide on a reasonable amount of time you'd like to spend on your devices each day. This could be 2 hours, 3 hours, or whatever you feel is appropriate. Then stick to it. You'd be surprised how much extra time you'll have for other activities. Next, take regular breaks. Instead of marathon sessions in front of the screen, break it up. For every 20 minutes of screen time, take a 5-minute break. Stand up, stretch, or even do a quick chore. Your eyes and your brain will thank you. How about opting for physical books over ebooks? There's something special about the feel of a page between your fingers, the smell of a new book. It's a sensory experience that a screen just can't replicate. Plus, it's a break for your eyes from the harsh light of the screen. Spending time outdoors is another great way to reduce screen time. Nature has a way of calming our minds and rejuvenating our bodies. Go for a walk, play a sport, or simply sit and enjoy the fresh air. It's a surefire way to disconnect from the digital world. Lastly, consider using screen time management apps. These handy tools can track your screen time and alert you when you're exceeding your set limits. It's like having a personal coach helping you stay on track. These strategies aren't about demonizing technology, it's about making technology work for us, not the other way around. These small changes can make a big difference in our mental well-being, productivity, and overall quality of life. Remember, the goal is not to completely eliminate screen time, but to create a balanced relationship with our digital devices. Let's quickly revisit the strategies discussed today. We've embarked on a deep dive into the digital age dilemma, exploring how our increased screen time can impact our mental well-being. We've learned that striking a balance is not only beneficial but essential in our tech-saturated world. We've highlighted practical ways to reduce screen time, such as setting boundaries for digital consumption, taking regular tech-free breaks, implementing device-free zones at home, and using tech tools that monitor and limit screen time. Remember, it's not about completely eradicating technology from our lives, but rather about creating a healthier relationship with it. Also, we've emphasized the importance of replacing screen time with activities that promote mental wellness, like exercise, reading, or simply spending quality time with loved ones. Each small step towards digital detox can lead to significant improvements in your mental well-being. It's time to take control of your digital consumption and improve your mental well-being. Start your digital detox journey today.